a government team, as pro team, and my friends as a opposition team, contra team. And then let's start it. Okay, I agree with this motion today. The motion today is vocation at nature is more fun than in the city. I basically is a nature person. I like nature. I like beach. I like mountain. And now I in the beach with my friend.
You like beach?
Yes, I like beach.
Why?
Because beach is so beautiful and I can healing and relaxing my mind at beach, at nature. And at mountain too, there is fresh air that can make we feel comfort at mountain. And it's so beautiful, like nature is so beautiful, so that's why I like nature.
Okay, I disagree about this today motion and her argument, because in the city we have so many beautiful places like mall, shopping store, and park and each other. And in the city we're not far away from facility like hospital, gas station, and gymnastic. So not just in the nature we get a beautiful place. In the city we have to. Okay, I disagree with her argument because I not really like the city, because city is so crowded and it make me have a headache. So I prefer to vacation at nature, like beach, like mountain. At there it's not lot of people, not crowded, but sometimes crowded, but mostly it's not crowded. And I enjoy to traveling at that and refreshing my mind at there. But your house in the city, it's okay. It's worth it to go to beach and see the beautiful place and beautiful sunset. I like it. Okay, I disagree about her argument. In the nature, not really crowd, but in the city, we can get some place not really crowd too. And in the city is our home. Okay, in our home in the city, maybe sometime not really crowd, and we can enjoy at home, or we can enjoy the crowd. We can see at the crowd the people who walk at the street, on the street, and sometimes they're playing musically at park, and yeah, not really bad, not bad. If you holiday in city, just the city, not the nature. Yeah, we can go not really far from home, and we can invite our friends to mall or shopping in the store at the city.
Okay, I disagree with her argument before. She said that we can enjoy at the crowd, but for me and for those people who like nature, crowded is make us feel dizzy, and then not enjoy if we are crowded. And if we often at the crowded place like the city, we can bored and tired both that. So I prefer to vacation at nature. And then at the city there is a lot of pollution, and the nature is the fresh air, and we can enjoy the fresh air and refresh our body and our mind.
Okay, I disagree with her argument. Yeah, we know in the city have pollution, but in the nature like mountain, we don't know at there have a danger or safe place. We don't know. We can see the tiger or wolf like that, and in the city, yeah, like that. Maybe we can enjoy our life in the city.
Okay, I strongly agree with this motion today, because nature is beautiful place. We can healing at there. We can refreshing our mind, and at nature there is a lot of fresh air and not crowded like the city, so we can enjoy at nature. And nature is best for me and for people who like nature too.
Okay, I totally disagree about this motion for today. We don't know we dangerous, we safe or not at the nature, and in the city we can enjoy the mall, shopping store, park, and each other, and yeah, not really bad at holiday at the city. Not really bad at the city. Yeah, we can enjoy our life in the city. Maybe sometimes we can go in the nature for our experience. Bye. Okay, that's all for our discussion for today. This motion for today is
Vacation at nature is more fun than in the city.
yeah. That's all for our discussion. Is It's really nice to discuss this motion, and we enjoyed this discussion and our traveling. Okay, see you next time. Bye. Thank you.